Suppose you work as a salesman in a popular mobile showroom, but your salary will given based on commission. Meaning, if a mobile phone is sold through you, you will get a 5% commission. In today's class, I will discuss how you can use a sales funnel to maximize your sales and benefit in the long term. In today's class, I will mainly give you two examples based on you. If you listen to these two examples carefully, you will learn some very important things about sales funnels, and this is very necessary before moving to the next class. From here, you will learn what is a sales funnel, how does it work, how can you increase your sales several times using it, and how you can benefit from it in the long term. First, I will give an example of a local business so that you can understand everything very naturally, and then I will show it using a diagram. So let's begin. Suppose I want to buy a mobile phone, so I came in front of a showroom and you called me and took me inside the showroom. Then you showed me several new mobile phones and we talked a lot about their features. From there, I liked one phone. Then you asked me to buy the phone, but I don't have enough money at this moment. So I told you, I like this phone, but I don't have enough money right now. I will come after 1 month and buy it. Then I went home and after 1 month I went again to buy the phone. Now think normally, what do people usually do at this stage? Either they go to another showroom, check the price, and if everything seems fine, they buy the phone from that showroom. Or they go to the previous showroom and purchase the phone. I did the same. I went that showroom and bought the phone. Now notice something. At first, you were the one who took me inside the showroom and showed me the phone. But since after 1 month, I went there by myself and bought the phone without you, you will not get any commission. Because at the time of purchase, I didn't go through you. Now, the important question is, shouldn't you have received the commission here? Of course you should have. So why didn't you receive the commission? The reason is you did not do the marketing properly and you used the wrong method. Because of this, you are regularly losing potential customers like me. Most new marketers also use this kind of method, which increases their marketing cost and stops them from doing well in business. Now the question is, then how should you have done the marketing? Right? Now I want to give the same example in a slight different way, from where you will get the correct guideline. First, when I entered the showroom and you showed me several mobile phones and explained their features, I like one of them, but I will buy the phone after 1 month. Since I'm not buying the mobile phone immediately, you gave me a survey form and told me, if you share your important opinion and fill up this survey form, then when you buy the phone, the company will give you some extra gifts and a special discount. Since I need the phone and I will buy it after 1 month, and because you mentioned special gifts and a discount, of course I will fill up the survey form. What information will I have to provide there? Simple question, such as which features of a phone you prefer, what price range feels comfortable for you, which color you prefer, your name, and your email address. Just this much is enough. The purpose of this survey form is to collect my email, so you can contact me later and ensure that when I come to buy the phone, I come through you. After that, I filled out the survey form and went home. A few days later, you started emailing me continuously and checking on me, how am I doing, when I plan to buy the phone, which new phones have arrived in the market, what features they have, what the prices are, and etc. You also remind me that when I go to buy the phone, I should contact you first. By communicating like this, I will naturally build trust in you and develop a connection with you. And when I go to buy the phone after 1 month, of course I will contact you. Then you will go with me to the showroom, help me buy the phone, and you will get your commission. Now compare the two examples. In the first method, you never collected any contact information from your customers. So even if customers bought the phone later, you did not get any commission because they did not buy through you. But in the second method, you collected customer data and stayed in touch with them. Because of this, customers started trusting you, and before buying the product, they contracted you. So, in the second system, you are not losing a single customer, and you earn commission from every customer's purchase. This entire process works exactly as a sales funnel. Now, imagine another scenario. If you collect data from 100 customers every day, then at the end of the month, you will have 3,000 emails. If you regularly email these 3,000 customers, check on them, talk about their problems, and keep giving them value, then whenever they decide to buy a product, they will definitely contact you first. Just imagine how much your sales can increase from this. After 6 months or 1 year, if you continue collecting data this way, you will have around 36,000 customer emails. With such a big email list, even if you promote products only to these people, you will still get a lot of sales. Besides, new phones and new accessories are launched in the market almost every month. You can talk to them about these new products, recommend them, and get even more sales. This way, you can build a long-term stable business. This was an example of a local business, but you can apply this method to any business. Now, since we are doing affiliate marketing, let's understand these ideas with a funnel diagram and learn how the same process works in online business. Suppose this is a mobile company's website and this is a mobile phone. This is a visitor, someone who is interested in buying a mobile phone. Our job is to find this type of mobile interested audience and bring them to this mobile's website. You can generate this audience in two ways, free and paid. Now, imagine you spent $50 and got 500 visitors. If you send all these visitors directly to the product page, you may get only 2% instant sales, which means around 10 people may buy instantly. But even this 2% is not guaranteed. Okay, so you got 10 sales, but the remaining 490 visitors leave without buying anything. That means you spent money to bring these 490 people, but you are not getting any benefit from them. However, if you could collect their contact information, you could follow up with them and make future sales. That's why collecting contact information is extremely important. Now, see how we fix this problem. We set up a platform here whose only job is to collect contact information. The visitor will first arrive on this platform, submit their contact information, and then go to the product page. When they submit their email, the platform will automatically save all emails inside its database. Now, look what happens. The 10 people who buy instantly, it's great, no problem. But the remaining 490 people who did not buy, we will continue email follow-up with them. Understand? We will talk about product features, their problems, solutions, and send them valuable information regularly. When they keep receiving value from us, they will trust us. And when they finally decide to buy the phone, they will buy through our link. This means we won't lose a single customer. And this entire system is called a sales funnel. So now you understand what a sales funnel is and why it is extremely important for our business. Sales funnel is not only for affiliate marketing. It works for local business, e-commerce stores, dropshipping brands, literally any business model. If you want to run your business in a smart way, reduce your marketing cost, increase your sales, then you definitely need a sales funnel. Because if you can collect customer data in any smart way, your future marketing becomes much easier. And finally, this customer data becomes the biggest asset of your business. If you follow this strategy for just 1 year, you will already have a large number of potential customers. After that, you can generate a lot of sales simply by following up with them. without spending extra money to bring new visitors again and again. And honestly, most affiliate product sales happen in this exact way. Of course, building a relationship with your customers, engaging with them, and many other important factors are involved. We will discuss all of this step by step in the upcoming classes and also set up everything practically. I hope you clearly understood today's topic about sales funnel. Okay, viewers, see you in the next class. If this class helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It really supports the channel. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next class.